Hello Internet.
Goodbye.
Today we have this brand new looking MSI 3070 Ti that came in for repair. It even has a factory seal on it. And I'm thinking, what could possibly be wrong? I have no idea, so let's take it apart and find out. As I was taking it apart, I found this bug. It appears to have wings, and I don't know if that's what killed this GPU. It also has all sorts of hair and legs, and I'm gonna eat it later, so I'll put it away and continue with the disassembly. After all, isn't that what Bill Gates wants us to do? Eat bugs while he eats steaks? Either way, he's old and he'll die sooner than the most of us, so we can ignore his mental problems and focus on the repair. Poking the card with a multimeter, we get no short on 12 or memory. Fuses look okay. This here is 1.8, I think. And here's 5. PEX with 12 ohms, that's normal. And a data line, clock, PEX reset, all look good to me, so let's power it on and see what it does. 1.8 is there. 5 is there.
We got 5 volts.
Memory, PEX,
We got PEX.
core. I mean, what more do you want? It should work, right?
But we still have 6 beeps.
So let's boot it up and see if it posts. And the MSI said sorry. Not sorry. So let's run some memory tests and see if anything shows up. There. The thing says we have the thing.
You know the thing.
That's located here.
Bummer.
Maybe. But the problem can be under the core instead, so just replacing the memory chip can give us a false positive result. Or temporary.
I'm serious.
It's best to reball the core as well, so let's do that and see if that helps. And there we have it. Resistances are normal. Power is normal. Let's boot the card and see if it posts. And maybe run a memory test, just for the likes and the comments. And
Short is gone.
we got a pass. So let's put it together, make sure it'll still post, and run some tests. That's it for this repair. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like the video, and subscribe if you want to see more. Goodbye.